ndewo no Igbo ndị ọma ekene m unu n'oge nkuzi asụsụ Igbo ọzọ. Hey, hi, you are welcome back here, and you are also welcome back to today's episode of Learn Igbo Language with me. So today we are learning two-way sentences in Igbo language. Just two-way sentences in Igbo language. And with me here, I have some lists, and I'm going to be calling out. I'm going to be teaching us from this list because, hey, I'm brain jotter. I'm not a brain jotter, so there's no way I can carry all this on my head. Nah. So we are learning from our list today. And the first we have here is I'm innocent. I'm innocent. That is Akam the Ocha. Akam the Ocha. I'm innocent. Akam the Ocha. Actually, in Igbo language, Aka means hand. Okay, Aka means hand. But in this case, although yes, in the English way also, it is said my hands are clean. That also means I'm innocent, right? So in Igbo language, I'm innocent simply means Akam the Ocha. And Akam the Ocha also means my hands are clean. Okay, so I'm innocent, Akam the Ocha. Or you want to say, my hands are clean, Akam the Ocha. It still means Akam the Ocha. Okay, so I'm innocent, Akam the Ocha, right? Number two, keep calm. Keep calm. Wa nkiti. Some will say dere ju, keep calm. But also we also say wa nkiti. But dere ju simply means keep calm, and that is the emotic way to say keep calm. But you can touch it by saying wa nkiti. Okay? But the Central Igbo dere ju. Dere jo, that is keep calm. Okay, going down we have get out. Get out. Get out means wherever. You can also say si eba po, but this means, this goes further to get out of here. That is si eba po. But get out, po eba. Get here is poor, eba is here. Also, get also means where or nweta. That is get, like to have, where or nweta. But in this case, this get means poor, eba, which is here. Okay, Igbo language is so sweet, right? Moving down, we have it's bad. Odi njo. It's bad. It's bad. Odi njo. It means odi. It. Odi. Njo means bad. Once you hear njo, you hear bad. Okay? Just like when they say ajo nwaya. Njo, ajo nwaya. Ajo nwaya, njo. Okay, let me not confuse us. But it's bad means odi njo. Okay, it's good means odi mma. Good is mma. Beautiful mma. Pretty mma. Okay, it's good odi mma. It means odi. Okay, good mma. It's good odi mma. Okay. Respect yourself. Kwanyelu onwe gị ugwu. Kwanyelu onwe gị ugwu. Respect means ugwu. When you want to say respect yourself, just say kwanyelu onwe gị ugwu. Respect yourself. Kwanyelu onwe gị ugwu. Okay? Moving down, don't worry. Don't worry. Enyena onwe gị nsogbu. Also, it means agbakasị n'arụ. Yes, don't worry also means agbakasị n'arụ. Or you can say enyena onwe gị nsogbu. Enyena onwe gị nsogbu. Nsogbu is trouble. It's worry. Okay, nsogbu, either trouble, worry, disturbed, that is nsogbu, problem. nsogbu. Okay, so don't means enyena. That is enyena onwegi. Okay, enyena onwegi, that is don't give yourself. Okay, don't worry, enyena nsogbu, agbakasina arụ. Okay, agbakasina arụ. Okay, moving down, we have be happy. Nwee obi aṅụrị. Happy or happiness is aṅụrị. Happy, happiness, aṅụrị. So nwee aṅụrị, be happy. Nwee aṅụrị, nwee obi aṅụrị also means be happy. Obi aṅụrị also means happy. Sorry, let me set it straight. Obi aṅụrị means happiness. Aṅụrị means happy. Aṅụrị, be happy. Okay, or you can say nwee obi aṅụrị. Okay, whichever way, it means the same thing. Here, come here means bịa eba. Come is bịa. That is come. Here is eba. Bịa eba. Come here. Okay, person. Ezigbo mmadụ. Good person. Good is ezigbo. Good is also ọma. Good is also referred to as ọmalịcha. Okay, so good, ezigbo, person, mmadụ. Okay, good person, ezigbo mmadụ. Okay, down we have shut up. Mechie ọnụ. Ọnụ is mouth. Shut, mechie. Okay, so mechie ọnụ, shut up, mechie ọnụ. That is it. Then moving down, I'm coming. Anam abia. I'm coming. That means anam abia. Am is excuse me. Am means anam. Abia means coming. Bia means come. This is the end of today's lesson. On our next episode, we'll continue from where we stopped, which is Dereju, because I want you to learn this Igbo language so perfectly that you can speak it like a pro, right? I love you guys. I'll see you on our next episode. Bye-bye. But don't forget, like, share, and comment. And thank you for always coming back. I love you. Bye, guys.